Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to find the nth term of a linear number pattern. So first thing that you need to understand is that every linear pattern has got a general term of the form Tn is equal to Bn plus C. All right, whereby this B here, this B is the constant difference. B is the constant difference. B is the constant difference. And C, is C here, C is equal to the first term minus B. First term, the first term minus or take away B. So remember I said B is the constant difference, right? So C is the first term, take away the constant difference. That's what it means. All right, so let's quickly get into an example so that we can put this concept into practice. All right, so consider the following number pattern: 2, 7, 12, 17. Right. So what we want to do here, we want to find the nth term of this linear number pattern. As you can see, it's actually linear. It's actually linear. So the first thing I'll do is I'll find the constant difference, which happens to be my B. All right. Then I'm going to find my C, which will be first term, take away my constant difference. Once I found my B and my C, I'm going to substitute these two values into this general term form of a linear number pattern. Tn is equal to Bn plus C. Okay, so what I just need to find here is my B so that I can sub it into this formula. You can see there's a B there in the formula. Then I find my C, which I'm going to sub it into this C here. All right, so as I said, B is the constant difference. B is the constant difference. So the constant, the difference between 7 and 2 there is 5, because I just say 7 take away 2. Same applies here. 12 take away 7 is 5. Then 17 take away 12 is 5. So you can see that my constant difference happens to be 5 here. You can see that. So 5 is my constant difference. So therefore, B is equal to 5. Now, I need to find my C. I need to find my C. I need to find my C. So C is the first term. Take away the constant difference. So in this case, what is our first term? Our first term is 2. That's our first term. Then I'm going to write 2 here. All right, then take away the constant difference, or B, and here we had already found our B, which happens to be 5. So 2 take away 5. So therefore, my C will be equal to negative 3, because 2 take away 5 is negative 3. So you can see now I have my B and my C. The next thing now I'm going to do is substitute these two values of B and C into this form. Okay, so now if I am to sub them into this form, it will be Tn is equal to B. We said it's 5, so I'm gonna put 5 here, then N, then C is a -3, then I put -3. See, I found my uh, nth row or nth term or general rule, all right, which is Tn is equal to 5n minus 3. Okay. While we're still there, there's another concept again that we can apply to find the nth term, which is Tn is equal to A plus, open bracket, n minus 1, then D. Okay, this is another concept that you can also use, whereby A is our first term. A is our first term. Okay. D is our constant difference. Our constant difference. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to rewrite that linear number pattern one more time, and we are going to apply this concept and see if we are going to get the same answer. All right, so 2, 7, 12, 17. Okay, so I'm going to use this concept here. All right, so I'm going to see if I'm going to get the same answer. So let me rewrite it. Tn is equal to A standing for my first term, plus, open bracket, n minus 1 times D standing for the constant difference. So I'm now going to substitute the values into this form. So my A happens to be 2. As you can see, 2 is my first term. So I'm going to then write 2 here, plus n minus 1. Then what is my constant difference? Our constant difference, remember, it's 5, isn't it? Okay, then I'm going to put 5 right there. All right, then I'm going to simplify. So this 5 is going to multiply everything that is inside of this bracket. So this will be 2 plus 5n minus 5. Okay, then I group the like terms, pause, rearrange. So 5n, then here, plus 2 minus 5, okay, which is gonna be which is going to give me 5n minus 3. So you see, I still got the same answer that I got. So the two concepts that you have learned today that you can use to find the nth term is Tn is equal to Bn plus C, or you can use Tn is equal to A plus, open bracket, n minus 1 times D. So you see that if you apply these two concepts, they still give you the same answer. Okay, cheers, bye-bye.